Many of you for the big game are serving meatball appetizers, meatball subs, just meatballs and sauce, and you need a little help forming the perfect meatball. These are a set of 3 from Henning Lee Master Meatball molds.
And you can now make meatballs that are even, perfect. You can do everything from veggie meatballs to turkey to chicken.
Here's a question for you, Mark Charles Masilli.
Yes, sir.
Do you fry your meatballs first and then finish them in the sauce, or do you put them in the sauce?
Oh, no, ready for it? Fry, bake, and then in the sauce.
Oh, you bake in between?
Yes, that's my grandmother's recipe. Now, mind you, her meatballs were like this. So they had to fry, they had to be deep cooked. I think smaller ones like this is almost like Swedish meatball sizes. And my whole thing, why I loved when Henning Lee brought this to me was, you and I have been culprit of this. You get your hands and you just sit there and the balls, they never end up being the same. So with this guy, it's so super easy to just put anything you cook with that you're gonna do the protein in there, push it in there, and no matter what you do, when you squeeze this down, it makes the perfect meatball, and they're all equal.
And you get 3 of these.
3 of these in 3 parts.
4 3s are 12, so you get 12 total molds.
Yep.
And
so that's the bottom.
If you're doing sausage balls,
that's the top.
You're doing protein balls.
Protein balls, veggie balls, anything, beef, turkey, veal, chicken. Lamb.
Chef Jeremy's making lamb with tzatziki for the big game.
I got colors behind you, then I'm going to show you how to set it up, okay?
Oh, we got to talk colors.
Yes, colors first.
Fantastic. I was ready to jump into meatballs.
By the way.
All right, now, we have this in the blue back here. This is blue. Then we have gray. Gray is most limited. And then we have red. It really doesn't matter the color because these are going to
These are just the Henning Lee colors.
Really
we always do this.
Who is Henning Lee, sir?
So Henning Lee, it's a family-based business out of Minnesota.
Right.
And they're all about making simple designs, common household problems, solutions. And that's what I love about that. This is a simple solution we need. How do you make consistent meatballs? And you've always said this, by the way, with me selling for 24 years together, is when you have everything the same size, you cook evenly.
It cooks
evenly, okay?
It cooks faster and more evenly, yeah.
Let's show you the pieces. You're gonna get 3 of these setups, but this is what you have, right? 1, 2, 3, all dishwasher safe, by the way. So that's the bottom, that's the middle, that's the top. So I'm gonna take the middle and put it on the bottom, right? Now all I'm gonna do is take, my little secret is take your favorite meats, scoop it out. You don't even have to and just put it in there, right? And you do not have to be neat. You just put it right in there with a spoon. You can use a spatula. You can use your hand, but think about the fact that I don't have to mess up my hands anymore with this product because it's all in there, right? There, and I'm gonna put a little bit more in here.
We fit into mold.
So now, look, you're sitting there, well, how am I gonna make 4 even meatballs in here? It's really easy. I'm gonna take this on top and just push it down, okay? And then when I reveal, and then you take the bottom off, right? So watch this, boop, 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 and boop, done.
Perfect
dishwasher
meatball.
safe.
And
every
they're
single
all
time.
the same size, which
all
means
the same
they'll
size.
all cook.
Isn't that beautiful?
At the same size. Because if these were different sizes, you would have the smaller ones getting done faster than the larger ones, right? And that's not hard to figure out. You get a set of 3 of these for $24. It's free ship, and you get it on Easy Pay. Now, if you want to really cut down on your fats and oils, you can cook these in an air fryer.
Oh, yes, which I'll show you. You can do stuffed. So here are, what is this one? I got to remember. These are veggies, okay? So veggie ones. Now, we give you 3 recipes with this. We give you a protein meatball recipe, a regular meatball recipe, and a veggie meatball recipe. And so these are veggies. Again, there's the bottom. See the way they are there? And all you're going to do is, I'm going to put it on the tray here. You're going to pop, 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 pop. Done. Okay? And there are your meatballs. Look, all consistently. So there's the veggie in there.
What do you have here in the skillet?
So that you're going to be in love with. I want you to try them, first of all.
It looks amazing.
Sweet and sour beef. I'm going to put some inside.
All right.
Go ahead. By the way, another great use for the matching.
Hot.
Matching. Yeah, but they're good. Hot as a match.
They smell good, but they're hot as a match.
With our new tongs, great way to serve that. What do you think? Right? So, when you're doing those cocktails, when you're doing those dinners.
So full of flavor.
Yep.
And tender.
And tender.
Because when you buy meatballs that have been mass produced, the first question I always ask someone when they bring meatballs to QVC, I said, are these machine rolled?
Oh, really?
Because if they say yes, I'm like, then they're going to be tough. I think to myself, they're going to be tough.
How
because
great is
anything that you put through a machine is probably going to work it harder than you would with something like this. So this is going to allow you to have a perfect meatball every time.
I want to show you, we did the sweet and sours. Over here, we have Swedish meatballs, which is I'm a huge fan of, which you can make with those. These are Thai turkey meatballs. Here is veggie meatballs. And I want to tell you that when you get the booklet, and the recipe of the veggie meatballs are right in there. So these are the veggie meatballs that are in there. Your typical meatballs for spaghetti meatballs. And you said the air fryer. Let's take these out. Ooh, look.
You have cheesy meatballs?
We did cheesy meatballs. They're kind of exploding, but that's okay. I'm going to take one of these off.
And if you want to eliminate breadcrumbs, use the
David, can you cut that for me? Can you take the knife? I have a knife right there. Cut that for me and show them the results.
Oh, of course.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to put these on my salad, by the way. And these are turkey stuffed mozzarella, and ready for it? You put some tzatziki sauce. Is that beautiful? We put some tzatziki sauce on top of it for your salad. So it's a turkey.
Do you want a turkey meatball?
I just had
hello,
a
my
quick
friend.
question
Yes.
from the chat.
Yes.
So they're loving this. They're asking if you didn't already get the David's cookies that are pre-formed, could you put cookie dough in here and make the perfect cookie?
You know what? I think you can. And someone said maybe even truffles, to use it for truffles.
Oh, that's a great
Because it's a
idea.
form. So it was made for like meatballs, but I guess, go outside the box and do sweet with that. That's a great idea.
Awesome. Oh,
And it's all
amazing.
dishwasher safe.
Really good, really hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really, really hot.
We love, right?
I mean, the flavor's amazing.
I knew you'd love it.
But hot, hot, hot. If you are looking to eliminate carbs from your meatballs, then why not use the Pork King Good, Miss Rachel?
Absolutely. In the chat, we've already had a lot of